Just rolling out of Craig's hut where I've camped for the night, just under the trees here. It's just a beautiful spot. I've got to tell you, the amount of times that I've stayed up here, it's amazing how many times you have this whole mountain to yourself. I just don't get it. It's just such a beautiful spot to camp. Get up here and you see the amazing sunsets and the sunrises. It's amazing, not many people stay up here. So, I'll be back for sure, because it's just a wicked spot to spend the night. Setting up Monument Track now. I'm just thinking where I'm going to end up today. I thought, well, I might head towards Lovick's hut as a bit of a plan and see if I can get that far today and maybe spend the night there. But on the way through there, I'll drop in at Bindaree Waterfalls. They should be looking pretty good at the moment. So we'll have a look at those and then, yeah, make it up from there. Love this trip. Love making things up as you go. It's pretty good. Rolling into where Bindaree Falls are, so we'll just park the car here and we'll go and have a wander over and check out what the waterfalls are like. I reckon they'll be probably pretty good after all the recent rain. There's certainly plenty of snow melt. Let's go and check them out. That walk into Bindaree Waterfalls is well worth the visit. I've been there so many times over the years, but I tell you what, I reckon that's the best I've ever seen it. No surprise, as I mentioned before, with all the recent heavy rain and certainly a stack of snowmelt, Bindaree Waterfalls, put that on a must-do list, go and check it out. Righto, just about to cross the Harker River here at Bindaree Hut. The river's down pretty low at the moment, but yeah, it'd be no worries getting across here. Generally it's a bit rough, so it's one of these little crossings you do want to take a bit slower as you go across. Nice and slowly, no worries. Absolutely beautiful. Heading up a track called 16 Mile Jeep Track as I head towards Lovick Hut for the night. Now, this is the track that's okay when it's dry conditions like this, but if you had to drive this track when it's pouring rain, or even if it is a wet track when you do try and drive this, I'd strongly recommend that you probably don't drive it. It's one of those tracks that's very steep, as you see. The thing is, it's a hard-packed clay-based track, and there's not a great deal of ruts on it, so this would be one very slippery little track to do if you had to drive this in the rain. One I wouldn't be driving, that's for sure. I'd be putting it on the back burner and come back another day. Well, the plan when I left Craig's hut this morning was to try and make it to Lovick's hut and spend the night up there. But I'm not far from Lovick's hut, and Bluff Hut's only just down the road as well. But the thing is, I found this cracking spot here, just on the side of the track, with this ripper view out there. But the thing is, that's one of the beaut things about when you don't quite plan a trip out, just make it up along as you go. They're pretty exciting. I like doing trips like that. And that's where I find places like this. No deadlines to meet. It's been a really good trip and a great day out today. But the thing is, I've got a bit of edit that I'm going to do from the footage I've taken for the last couple of days. And what a ripper spot to do it, and sit right here and take in that view as well. It is pretty special.